Doing?
Yeah, it is for video.
Okay. All right, so there's the motor start. We're gonna let it engage. Go ahead and plug it in.
Okay, you want to put the other thing up there on that
Nah, it's
rail?
okay. It's fine. The relay, it's just the relay. It'll be
You're
good.
live.
It's good. Okay. All right. So power's on. Okay. Power's on. Everything's good. We're gonna activate it. We got it set for 2 seconds. It activates. It's on. It's off. Power's off. It won't come on. See it smoking?
Oh yeah,
It's hanging up.
that's
Right.
what happened in the first. Okay.
Yeah, that's when you heard it.
Yep.
What you heard was it pulled in on the contact and it stayed engaged. It wouldn't release, and because it wouldn't release, it overheated here and it melted the plastic bar, so it doesn't freely float anymore. So this motor start needs to be replaced.